So she's in class, and this is my normal spot while she's in class. She's sitting there at her laptop, and she's got her iPad. Do this. See her iPad where she's actually watching the class. And this is what I do for most of her home classes. We're just listening. She's listening to the professor. I wish I could hear things, but then if she talks to the professor, there's feedback, and it's not fun on the mics on your ears. But hey, I have a nice soft spot. And apparently she was saying something about the first few weeks of next term, which is this summer term, also being online. Fun. I like it better on campus. But then again, because I work 24/7, I get to be petted by people on campus because I will walk away from being petted to alert on her. Isn't this exciting? We're just kind of sitting here. Okay, I don't want to bore y'all. I'm going to sleep.